Parked police car starts to chase a speeding car once the speeding car passes it. The speeding car is moving at a constant speed of 40 miles per hour. The police car chases the speeding car from rest with a constant acceleration of 5 meters per second squared. How far has the police car traveled when it catches the speeding car? So, first, let's convert 40 miles per hour into the SI unit of meters per second. So now, if you run through all the conversions, you should get that it is about 17.88 meters per second. So that's the speed of the car when it passes the police car. And it's given in meters per second now. So now, when the police car catches this speeding car, they must have the same displacement because they must be at the same location for the police car to catch up. So we can just simply use this location, or this equation. So the displacement of the police car must equal to the displacement of the speeding car. So now the police car's displacement is accelerating, so we use the latter part of this equation. 1/2 times the acceleration of the police car, it's 5 meters per second squared, and then times the time squared. And now we're going to set that equal to the car that just passed it, moving at a constant speed. So now we're going to use the former part of the equation, initial velocity times the time. And then so the initial velocity is about 17.88 meters per second. And then we're going to times the time. Now if you solve for the time, you should get that t, if you divide both sides by t, is equal to 2 times 17.88 over 5. This is a simple algebraic manipulation. And then if you solve this, you should get that the time it takes is about 7.15 seconds to catch up. But that's not what the question asks. The question asks, how far has the police car traveled when it catches the speeding car? So now they both have the same displacement, so it honestly doesn't matter which part of the equation you use. I'm going to use this part of the equation since it's shorter. So you just do that the displacement is equal to 17.88 times the time that we found of about 7.15 seconds. And then this yields distance of about 127.8 meters. And that is the point where the police car catches the speeding car.